Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Yapily Payments API Review My Usage Experience. Yapily Payments API Review My Usage Experience offers a way for developers to integrate payment services into their applications using Yapily's API. Its main purpose is to simplify the process of connecting to various payment providers, allowing developers to offer a wider range of payment options to their users. Key features likely include connection to multiple banks and payment processors, secure data handling, and various API endpoints for managing payments. Their website provides details on their comprehensive documentation and pricing plans. Yapily positions itself as a secure and reliable solution, emphasizing ease of integration and access to a wide network of payment providers. They highlight their focus on security and compliance. Pricing is likely based on usage, but specific details would need to be checked on their website. They boast a modern API built for scalability and reliability. Availability is global, although specific countries supported should be verified on their platform. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Yapily Payments API Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was surprisingly straightforward. Their documentation was clear and well-structured, and I was able to set up my test environment within a couple of hours. The interface itself was clean and intuitive, a nice change from some of the more clunky APIs I've used in the past. I particularly appreciated the detailed error messages. They made debugging a breeze. I successfully integrated their API into a small test application I built to process simulated payments. The performance was excellent, requests were processed quickly, and I experienced no downtime. I did have a quick question about authentication, and their support team responded promptly via email, providing a clear and helpful solution. I was really impressed by how well documented everything was. One minor drawback was the initial learning curve associated with understanding their specific authentication methods, but once I grasped that, everything went smoothly. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Yapily's Payments API. It's a powerful and efficient tool that significantly simplifies the process of integrating multiple payment providers. That's my overview of Yapily Payments API Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.